Cubao Genesis Station sa Cubao EDSA. It's around what time is it now? Mga 1 hour and a half before 5 o'clock. Well, at least that was the time I bought the ticket walking in here. There was an earlier bus, pero walang CR. No, it's a big no. So I'd rather wait 1 hour and a half for the bus with CR. I think that's our bus. 4:30 na. So sana pasakayin na kami para we can start taking a long nap. Oh my God, ayan na. I have to present the tickets. $15 and $16. Yeah, thank you. No, andyan yung ano eh. Kita naman natin lahat ng CCR. We've arrived. Hilo and hungry at the same time. Finally, Baggy. Oh! So the bus station is just nasa baba lang ng SM City. Sinasabi ko kay TTT na baka kailangan namin bumili ng ticket po ba? Diba na-suspend si anong pangalan nung na-suspend? Solid North. Eh, syempre, Iba yung case ng paakyat. Sa lahat bababa na. So baka wala tayong ano, makakauwi tayo pero yung may mga CR na bus baka ma-taken, diba? Oh, so nakapag-advance booking kami ng 3 days prior and we bought the ticket going to Pasay, yung bus na dadaan ng NAIA 1, 2, 3 and finally Metro Point. At least malapit na sa amin. Kahit gabing-gabi na kami doon. Thanks for watching. Bye!